So Binance is offering about $10 million as a reward for anyone who catches the hackers who was trying to steal into Binance on Wednesday. We also have some news from South Korea. The internet giant from South Korea called Kakao is now going to open up an ICO. They're going to issue their own cryptocurrency. And also the Gemini is going to be adding Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. The Litecoin has already been spoken a lot this year, and there are a lot of experts who are saying the Litecoin would be the winner for this year. I mean, who really knows? It might just go to $1,000. And we're also going to talk about some of the regulations. So people are saying that excessive crypto regulations are not good for innovations. Let's talk all about that. Welcome back to Crypto Conversation. My name is Shiv. And this channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain news. In case you're new, subscribe. And also this is not a financial or investment advice, my personal opinion. So market looks pretty green today. Once again, Bitcoin going back to 9,619. Now this is something that I tweeted this morning, that this is what I feel based on what I feel. So if you look at the history of the Bitcoin price and of course the overall market cap, right from January 2017, it went up very high, and then it went up to 19k and then settled down to 9 or 10k thousand. But if you look at the price of the Bitcoin back in January last year, it was anything around $1,000 or so, and it is still up by 9,000. Now, as this is how the Bitcoin has behaved in the past as well. So in my opinion, what I think is now the next stop for the Bitcoin would be anything between 20 to 25k. Okay, so in my opinion, the next bull run is coming very soon, maybe in April or maybe in May, and the next stop is going to be 20 or 25k. And again, at that time the price is going to be stable for at least a couple of months between 20 to 25k. That's just my opinion, guys. Let me know what do you think about that. Let's talk about this news from Binance. So Binance is offering about 10 millions of bounty to anyone who is able to get hands on those hackers who are trying to buy some manipulate the price of a Via coin, in which they were, of course, they were very unsuccessful, and they ended up losing their own money. Also, the South Korean internet giant called Kakao. Now this is a very difficult name to pronounce. I will pronounce it as Kakao. Kakao is now coming up with their own cryptocurrency. They are issuing their own tokens right now. And let me tell you why it is so significant, why it is so important. Why? Because Kakao has a huge database, about 200 million users all over the world. And some of the categories that they are already operating in is Kakao Chat application, Kakao Music, Kakao Style, Kakao Mobile Fashion, Kakao Pay, Kakao Bank, Kakao Taxi app, and these are just for the starters. And they are also the owner of one of the popular exchange called Upbeat, and Upbeat is only number 3 when it comes to cryptocurrency volume. So they hold so many already products. They have also they have also announced the launch of Upbeat, and the Upbeat exchange has been doing pretty well. Upbeat is trading about 120 coins in South Korea and has a volume of about 5 trillion won. Now they are saying that they want to get deep into cryptocurrencies, and they might be launching their own cryptocurrency. So we are discussing the introduction of a cryptographic business, including ICO through subsidiary, and a more concrete announcement will be given on 20th of this month. So today is 11th of, today is what, 12th? So they'll be announcing the Kakao coin very soon. And there is no reason not to enter the coin market for companies doing various content like Kakao and official quoted. And one of the reasons they are inspired is because they believe that Telegram is one of their competitor. As you can see, it says the online source also indicates recent success of its global rival Telegram. They are as big as Telegram, and after seeing the success of Telegram, when they raised an ICO, they raised a couple of $1 million. They want to do an ICO as well. So I'm sure if they do come up with an ICO, I will definitely be excited about it. What exactly are they doing? For the fact they are already established company, they already own exchange, they have so many different apps, and they have about 200 million users already on board with them. Now the interesting news right now is coming from the Gemini exchange, which is owned by the Winklevoss brother, the Facebook fame Winklevoss brother, who have tons of bitcoins with them, very bullish on Bitcoin. They have also opened up a cryptocurrency exchange called Gemini, through which all the Bitcoin futures trading on CBOE group is supported. They are targeting to list Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin on Gemini by 2018, and if they do that, like always, this will have a positive impact on the price of Bitcoin and Litecoin. Litecoin has been in the news for a very long time. A lot of people have heard that, saying that the Litecoin price is going to skyrocket this year, maybe 1,000 or so. Again, this is not an investment advice, but this is what I've been hearing a lot. So maybe this is one of the news. And after which, even CBOE group and others will also start trading the Litecoin futures and Bitcoin Cash futures as well, as per this news. So the Bitcoin futures contract launched in December CBOE global market is based on the Gemini's exchange auction price for BTC denominated in US dollar. With new BCH and LTC data feeds available on Gemini, CBOE will be able to expand the crypto instrument, offer more diversified exposures to traditional clients. So this is an insider news for Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash holder. In case you are a holder, this is interesting news for you. The last one is from a regulator, from a banking regulator. He's saying that excessive cryptocurrency regulations is not good for the innovations of crypto. Let's not compare this with the traditional financial instruments like banks and whatnot. Crypto have a different fundamentals, and they cannot be over regulated, and which will stop their innovations further, which I would completely agree with this. And of course, one crypto meme that I want to share with you, me every morning checking coin market. I know a lot of people into crypto coin market today. The first thing that they do is not check Facebook or WhatsApp or WeChat. The first application that they open up is CoinMarketCap. Let me know your opinion on this news, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe, give this video a like, share, and I'll see you next time. Stay cryptic.